In this video, I'll show you how to create an ACI eManifest with a Master Provisional Shipment using BorderConnect. A Master Provisional is a Canadian shipment type that allows for the release of goods in which the importer or customs broker cannot establish a final value for the duty of goods at the time of importation. As such, in these cases, the goods may be released under the interim accounting provisions of the Customs Act, also known as a Provisional Entry or Master Provisional. Master Provisional clearances will also require the authorization of Canada Border Services Agency Trade Operations Unit, and they're commonly used for the following: plans, drawings, blueprints being imported for uses in construction projects, large machinery and equipment, military goods being imported by the Department of National Defense, and other materials, components, and parts being imported for national defense purposes. At the border, the driver must present an ACI lead sheet and the Master Provisional information, and any other documents associated with the shipment. So, now that you know the basics, let's jump in and I'll show you how to process an ACI eManifest in BorderConnect. Once you're logged in, hover over the ACI eManifest menu and click Start New ACI eManifest. After you enter all your trip information, scroll down to the bottom and hover over Save and Start New ACI Shipment. Since there's a Master Provisional Shipment that needs to be created, click Save and Start New ACI Shipment. And to learn how to enter ACI trip information, click the link at the top of the video now. Starting from the top, select your shipment type. It's currently set to a PARS, as that's the most common shipment type. But since this is a Master Provisional Shipment, click the shipment type and change it to a Master Provisional. Next, enter your cargo control number. And if you're hauling another carrier shipment, just click the carrier code to change it. Now below, enter the shipper and consignee details of the shipment. You can look up the shipper or consignee by entering the first few characters of the name or the address. And if you need to add a new consignee, just click Add Consignee, add the consignee details, and click Save. We're now ready to move on to the commodities on the shipment, so scroll down and click Save and Add Commodity. Here, enter your description of goods, quantity, and weight. Then go to the bottom and hover over Save and back to ACI eManifest. If you had additional shipments to add here, you click Save and Start New ACI Shipment. However, in this tutorial, it's only the Master Provisional Shipment that'll be created. So, click Save and back to ACI eManifest. Here, you can see all the information you entered for the eManifest at a glance as you scroll down the page. And if any additional information needs to be added or changed, you can do so here. We're now ready to get our eManifest on file with CBSA. So, go to the top and click Sync with CBSA, where your manifest status will be changed to 2 yellow bars, transmitted. After approximately 2 to 3 minutes, CBSA should accept your manifest, and the status will then move to 3 blue bars, on file with CBSA, and remain at that status until the driver arrives at the first port of arrival, since there is no customs broker or transaction number associated with Master Provisional Shipments. And when the driver arrives at the border, the status will then move to 5 dark green bars, arrival reported at border. And it'll remain at that status even after the driver crosses into Canada, as there's no release message for Master Provisional Shipments. Congratulations! You've successfully created an ACI eManifest with a Master Provisional Shipment using BorderConnect. This type of trip and shipment is usually completed within about a minute or two, and of course if you ever need help, please reach out to our friendly support team via chat, phone, or email.
Hi, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you'd like to watch more videos like this, check out these videos here, or subscribe below. If you're not already signed up to BorderConnect, you can sign up today for a free 45-day trial using special promo code EASY45. Thanks for watching.